Hello and warm greetings to you. Here now are the details of the trending local and international news headlines. 28 years old Sunil Jonas of Lot 52 Old Housing Scheme BARTICA Town recently made his first appearance in the BARTICA Town Magistrates Court to answer to the charge of break and enter committed on a security company. Sunil Jonas entered a not guilty plea when the charge was read to him. He was then remanded to prison until the date of June 27, 2022. Jonas was also charged with the possession of firearms without license, to wit 4 rifles and 1 shotgun. He entered a not guilty plea when the charge was also read to him. Jonas was also remanded to prison for this matter until the scheduled date of the 27th of June 2022 for the submission of statements into this matter. Ramsam's General Store, Electrical Household Appliances Department, Auto Parts, Mining Spares, and Accessories, 111 3rd Avenue, BARTICA Town. At your convenience, enjoy full shopping satisfaction with our attentive and sincere customer care service as you make your choice from our wide array of all the top quality brands, products at the best prices around town. Ramsam's General Store, BARTICA Town's unique shopping center where affordable prices meets you to ensure that you always save big with satisfaction. Ramsam's General Store, where great care is always given to your shopping concerns. Ramsam's General Store, always providing you only the best and nothing less. Lucy's Grocery, Confectionery Shop and Canter Service, located at 38 1.5 miles Potaro Road, BARTICA, where you can always have access to our best bargain prices on all quality brand items for your grocery, confectionery, clothing, tools, and hardware accessory needs. All at better prices around BARTICA. We also cater for your kerosene, gasoline, and big bottled water needs. Our MMG services also helps you to conveniently and promptly pay your GPL, GWI, e-network bills, also GTM insurance payments and money transfer services, GTT top-up. You can also call us for our Canter service, all at Lucy's Grocery and Confectionery Shop, 38 1.5 miles Potaro Road, for better prices and convenient quality service. Just to remind you that these are the details of the trending municipal, regional, national, and international news headlines with yours truly, Mr. Edward Anthony Posad. A man has reportedly admitted to killing a female cook and then dumping her body into the Peroni River around the Kumung area in the number 3 Mazzaroni Gold Mining District of Region 7 on Wednesday afternoon, June 8, 2022. The dead woman has been identified as Marianne Edwards, age 25 years. Police have since recovered the woman's body. Reports are indicated that the suspect allegedly admitted to killing the woman and then dumping her body into the nearby Peroni River after robbing her of a quantity of raw gold. Miners around the said area, after discovering Edwards' camp ransacked on Wednesday afternoon last and not seeing her, began a search, at which point they began inquiring and subsequently captured a suspect who they tied up. The suspect was subsequently handed over to the police and he reportedly led investigators to where the woman's body was disposed. The police investigations are still continuing into the circumstances surrounding this occurrence. Now available and many more at Ramsam's General Store, 100% cotton Sentry Tex bed sheet set in queen and full size. A kids bicycle 12 and 16 inches and 20 inches BMX bicycles. Kitchen towels 12 for $800. 60 quart coolers ideally great for picnics and trips to the falls. Ramsam's General Store also currently have a super sale on Star 4 burners gas stoves and also as stocks last on all Star brand 32 inches televisions. We would also like to let you know that we have now in stock cruiser tires at Ramsammy General Store. We also have for you at bargain prices motorcycles and the Inteng brand motorcycles. So at your convenience, check us out on location for more information and bargains at Ramsammy General Store. Now available at Ramsammy General Store are men round pointer quartz watch in a variety of designs for you to choose from to suit your wearing preference. Check us out at 3rd Avenue and 9th Street at your convenience at Ramsammy General Store, BARTICA Town. Dino's Investment Limited, BARTICA's rock-bottom bargain giant for all of your grocery and beverages needs on either wholesale or retail basis. We also stock cooking gas and many more at Dino's Investment Limited, 2nd Avenue and 5th Street, BARTICA. Just to remind you that these are the details of the trending municipal, regional, national, and international news headlines with yours truly, Mr. Edward Anthony Posad. The autopsy conducted on the remains of 28-year-old Sagan Hopkinson of BARTICA Town Region 7 has revealed that he died from chemical inhalation. The autopsy was conducted by government pathologist Dr. Nihal Singh on Friday afternoon at the Sadi mortuary. Hopkinson was found lying motionless on June 6, 2022 in a fuel tank at Adventure Essequibo Coast, Region 2. He was working as a boat captain transporting fuel between BARTICA Town Region 7 and Adventure Essequibo Coast, Region 2. Reports stated that the fuel boat Hopkinson was working on was moored at a wharf at the Adventure location, Essequibo Coast, around 500 hours on the said morning when a check for the workers was made around 5:30 hours where the captain's lifeless body was discovered in a fuel tank. Hopkinson's co-workers were clueless about how he ended up in the fuel tank. The BARTICA Chamber of Commerce and Industries, BCCI, is reminding you that coronavirus spreads primarily through contact with an infected person when they cough or sneeze. It also spreads when a person touches a surface or object that has the virus on it and then touches their eyes, nose, or mouth. Therefore, everyone must continue to practice good hygiene and social or physical distancing. Also adhere to the guidelines provided by the Ministry of Health, Guyana. This is a message from the BARTICA Chamber of Commerce and Industries, BCCI. Cyril Scarder Meat Catering Service. Farm fresh quality meat, best prices on either wholesale or retail basis. Shopping comfort and complete satisfaction and enjoy excellent customer care service at BARTICA Town's best. Cyril Scarder Meat Catering Service. Ranji Building, 1st Avenue, BARTICA Town. Upper Level Restaurant and Bar, BARTICA's #1 Creole restaurant. Our daily menu offers tantalizing, tasty breakfast and lunch. We also do catering for any occasion. We are located at the Golden Beach, where you can come for the taste and stay for the flavor at Upper Level Restaurant and Bar. Kim Chan and Daughters Jewelry Establishment, BARTICA Vendors, Arcade Stall number 38. For the best in all of your handcrafted gold and silver jewelry needs. We continue to pride ourselves always in delivering to you on quality products with the best in class and presentation wear for all of your jewelry needs. So visit us or call us for more information. Telephone 659-8467. Just to remind you that these are the details of the trending municipal, regional, national, and international news headlines with yours truly, Mr. Edward Anthony Posad. The BARTICA Town's Regional Public Hospital has scheduled a week of activities to commemorate Men's Health Week from the 13th to the 19th of June 2022. The schedule of events are as follows. On the 13th of June 2022, an educational talk by Dr. Edward Sogala will be done on prostrate health at the outpatient clinic. Also, too, on the 13th of June 2022, an educational talk will be conducted at the Fifth Avenue Boathouse venue by Medics I. Persad. On the 14th of June 2022, an educational talk on alcohol and smoking will be done at the outpatient clinic venue in the BARTICA Town's Regional Public Hospital location. Also, too, an educational talk will be conducted at the Boathouse, that's the Itabali Boathouse, by Nurse W. Sharma. On the 15th of June 2022, an educational talk at the BARTICA Stellin Regional Administration will be conducted by Medics I. Persad and Dr. D. Mackenzie. Also, too, on the 15th of June 2022, an educational talk will be conducted at the Bus and Car Park, BARTICA Town, by Dr. D. Mackenzie and Medics I. Persad. On the 16th of June 2022, an educational talk on lifestyle changes will be conducted at the outpatient clinic venue in the BARTICA Town's Regional Public Hospital venue by Dr. D. Mackenzie. Also, too, an educational talk will be conducted at the Cuyuni Boathouse venue on First Avenue, BARTICA, by Nurse A. Jones. Also, too, on the 16th of June 2022, a radio talk program will be undertaken by Medics I. Persad and Dr. D. Mackenzie. On the 17th of June 2022, a mini men's health fair will be hosted at the BARTICA Health Center. There, services to be offered will be BP testing, RBS testing, HIV testing, HB testing, vaccination, malaria, dental, and audiology services. Skips Welding and Fabrication Service and Liana's Kiddie Park for all of your welding and fabrication needs with efficiency, quality, and best rates. Also catering for the hosting of your social occasions at Liana's Kiddie Park, all at 3rd Street and 5th Avenue, BARTICA Town. Just to remind you that these are the details of the trending municipal, regional, national, and international news headlines with yours truly, Mr. Edward Anthony Persad. Navindra criminal Ramsammy appears in BARTICA Town Magistrates Court charged with possession of illegal firearms, ammunition, and other offenses. 27 years old Navindra Ramsammy, also called criminal of Lot 32, First Avenue, BARTICA Town, recently appeared at the BARTICA Town Magistrates Court before Her Worship Madam Christelle Lambert, charged with possession of firearm and ammunition without license, to wit one AR-15 rifle and 27 rounds of .223 ammunition, which occurred on the 31st May 2022 at the Blackwater Back Dam, Cuyuni Mining District No. 4, Region 7 in the county of Essequibo. Ramsammy entered a guilty plea and was sentenced to 4 years imprisonment along with a fine of $100,000 Guyana currency. Navindra criminal Ramsammy was also charged with the possession of firearms and ammunition without license, with 3 rifles, 1 shotgun, and 37.223 rounds of ammunition, which occurred on the 4th June 2022 at the Carrow Back Dam, Lower Mazaruni River, Region 7 in the county of Essequibo. He entered a not guilty plea and was remanded to prison on both charges. He was also charged with receiving stolen property which occurred between the 28th December 2021 and the 31st May 2022, to wit 4 rifles and 1 shotgun, property of Wayne Heber. He pleaded guilty and was sentenced to 4 years imprisonment along with a fine of $100,000 Guyana currency. Finally, he was charged with threatening behavior committed on Abdul Puran, which occurred on the 28th May 2022 at the Blackwater Back Dam in the Cayuni Mining District Number 4, Region 7 in the county of Essequibo. He pleaded not guilty and was remanded to prison. The matter was adjourned to the 8th July 2022 for continuation. Those were the details of trending municipal, national, and international news headlines with yours truly, Mr. Edward Anthony Posada. Thanking you for your time and attention. Until we meet again, please do continue to stay safe and healthy.